Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum, and dear candidates and all viewers. Today we will discuss and try to solve question number 5, exercise 1.1 from the 10th class books. Let's come we start. The solution of equation is given. The equation y plus 13 and y plus a is no linear term. Find the value of f a. How we calculate the value of a? First of all, we open the brackets. Y is multiplied to this term, y into y plus a. Similarly, we multiply 13 multiplied by y plus a. Now we open the brackets, y multiplied by y square, a multiplied by y, we can write ay plus 13y plus 13a. Now we check like terms, similar terms. 13y, y is common, taking here common. So y square plus y a plus 13 plus 13a. But in the question here is no linear term, but here the linear term is available. The power of the exponent is 1 here. So it means that we take the linear term here, a plus 13, the coefficient of linear term variable y power is 1. So here linear term is available. So if a plus 13 is equal to 0. So it means that we change this value to the right side. So the sign is also changed, minus 13. Hence the value of a is equal to minus 13. What is the positive difference? Of the roots of the equation x square minus 7x minus 9 is equal to 0. In this question, we are required what is the positive difference. Means that here we are needed roots of the equation. So first of all, this equation we can solve by 3 methods, but the easiest method is quadratic formula. First of all, we compare with the quadratic form, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means is the coefficient of here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to minus 9. So here we can write a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to minus 9. Now we can use here the quadratic formula. We use the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by 2a. Now in this formula we have already the result a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to minus 9. We substitute these results in the above formula. So minus b is already negative, we can put minus 7 plus minus square root minus 7 square minus 4ac. A is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 9. Divide by 2a. A is equal to 1. Now simplify this term. X is equal to minus into minus plus 7. Similarly, here is minus 7 square, we get 49. Minus into minus plus 36. So divided by 2. Now look here, if we simplify further, 7 plus minus We will get here 49 plus 36, we get 85 square root divided by 2. Now look here, it means that here is 2 roots, we get 7 plus 85 under root divided by 2 or 7 minus 85 under root divided by 2. We separate positive and negative here, positive one times and second time we get negative. But in the question is asking from you what is the positive difference. Now it means that here we add these two differences. Positive difference means that we will subtract these two roots, we will get the answer. For example, this one is x1, we give the name this one x1 and this one is x2. So now we positive difference x1 minus x2, if we subtract this one 7 plus 85 under root divided by 2 minus 7 minus 85 under root divided by 2. Now we simplify this one, 7 divided by 2 plus 85 divided by 2 minus 7 divided by 2 minus into minus plus 85 divided by 2. This will be negative, both are cancelled. So it means that here the elements are same. So we add the coefficient. We can write here is 1 and here is 1. We add 285 divided by 2. 2 to is cancel, we get the answer 85 under root. This is the positive difference of the given quadratic equation, x square minus 7x minus 9. Question number 1, part 3. Part 3 is very important question. X plus 2 minus 1 over x plus 2 is equal to 3 by 2. We can write this one. Let supposition we can take, let y is equal to x plus 2. But here is x plus 1 by 2 is required. It means that we can write taking reciprocal. Taking reciprocal of given equation, 1 over y is equal to 1 over x plus 2, and also give equation number first. Now we substitute the values of y is equal to x plus 2 and 1 over y is equal to 1 over x plus 2. We replace of the above equation. Now look here, x plus 2 is equal to y, so this will be reduces y minus 1 over y is equal to 3 by 2. Now we take LCM. LCM means common factor multiply by non-common factor. Here is y is LCM. Here is in the denominator is 1. So y divided by 1 we get y. Y is multiplied to numerator. So y square. Y divided by y. So we get 1. 1 is multiplied numerator 1. Similarly here we can write the same 3 by 2. Now we try to finish this value. We are required by cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method here we can use, here 2 is multiply to the left side and right side we multiply 3y. Now open the brackets, 2y square minus 2 minus 3y is equal to 0. We change this term to the right because we are changing into the form of quadratic form. So 2y square minus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we are using factorization method here. Any method we can use, this is your choice. If we in the factorization first term and the last term if we multiply, so it means that 2 multiplied by -2 we get -4, and the middle term, this one is the middle term is required, -3. Now what we will do, if we can write here -4 plus 1, so we get -3. So this is the factorization of the middle term. Now we check -4 is required. So -4, the same numbers we multiply. So we get the answer -4. It means that both results are same. We can do the simplification or factorization of the middle term -4 plus 3. We can write now 2y square minus 4y plus 1y minus 4y in the place of -3 we can write plus -2 is equal to 0. Now look here, there are 4 terms, so we are making pairs first and second, third and fourth. In the first pair we taking common, 2y is common, so y is remaining. Here is 2 multiplied by 2, 2, or we get, and y already common. Similarly, here 1 is common. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y minus 2 must be same. Otherwise, your question will be wrong. So, y minus 2 and 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. That means that y minus 2 is equal to 0, or 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we change this value to the right side. So the sign is also changed. We get y plus 2, or 2y is equal to -1. We change plus 1 into negative because we are changing. So the sign is also changed. Dividing both sides by 2. So -1 divided by 2, both are cancelled. Y is equal to -1/2. This is not our the solution because we are already taken in the supposition. So now we are giving equation number second. It means that we are required these two results we put in equation number second. We are needed when put, we can say they put y is equal to 2 in equation number second. So 2 is equal to x plus 2. So we change here to x is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. One solution we get this one. Similarly, if we put y is equal to, similarly we put y is equal to -1/2, then equation number second becomes, so what is the result? In the place of y we can write -1/2 is equal to x plus 2. We change this here, so the sign is also changed. -1/2 minus 2 is equal to x. Now we take the LCM, -1 minus 4 divided by 2 x. So we can write here -1 minus 4 minus y by 2 is equal to -5 by 2 is equal to x. Now the solution set of the equation we can write -5 by 2 and 0. These are the solution of x value. Part 10 is very important. 3 power 2x minus 10 into 3 power x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now what is the solution of this equation? We are required the solution of x value. It means that here we take equation number first. We take supposition here. Let suppose that y is equal to 3 power x. But here in the square is required, taking square on both sides of the equation. Taking square on both sides of the equation. What is the result? To get the result, so we can write y square is equal to 3 power x whole power square. So we can write this 3 to x because here coefficient is multiplied with this one. So we get 2x. Now we substitute the results in above equation number first. So equation number first becomes, in the place of 3 power 2x, we can write y square minus 10 into y plus 9 is equal to 0. Once again, we are using here any method, factorization method, completing square method, and quadratic formula. So now we are using the easiest method, also factorization method. First term multiplied by last term. If we multiply here 1 multiplied by 9, so we get 9. Here middle term is required. Middle term is minus 10. It means that if both results, if we add, so we will get minus 10. Now we check the same term. If we multiply the original term, is we get minus minus plus, so we will get the answer same. It means that the middle term minus 10 we can factorize minus 10 minus 1 minus 9 y square minus 1y minus 9y plus 9 is equal to 0. Now we are taking pairs. Y is common, y minus 1 minus 9 y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now it means that y minus 1 y minus 9 is equal to 0. From these two pairs we taking only one time. So now we can write y minus 1 is equal to 0 or y minus 9 is equal to 0. So we change this value here. So y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 9. So the sign is also changed. Now these two results put in equation number second. When y is equal to 1, so equation number second becomes y is equal to 3 power x. What is the result of y? 1. Y is equal to 3 power x. But here is the bases are same. Here is 1. Now we change 1 into the formula. We can write 3 power 0. So 3 power x. It means that now bases are same. 3 power 0 is equal to 1. Anything raised to the power, we know that this result, anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So it means that now bases are same. Bases are same. So we compare exponent or power. So it means that here we compare the power x is equal to 0. Similarly, when y is equal to minus 3, when y is equal to 9, so equation number second becomes, so y is equal to 9, 3 power x. That means that we can write here 3 power square is equal to 3 power x. So bases are once again same. That means that we compare, bases are same. So we compare the exponent x is equal to 2. That means that the solution set is equal to x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. Solution set is equal to 0 and 2. Question number part 11. 3 and 2, 3 power x plus 1. 2x plus 1 minus 10, 3 power x plus 1 is equal to 0. So look here, and this term is required 3x, or we can say that we simplify this term. First of all, we simplify this term 3. We can write 3 power 2x and 2 3. And addition bases are same. We add the power. So the above term we can simplify. Bases are same. So we add the power. How? Look here. If the base we take, so it means that 2 power x into 3 power 1. So the bases are same. We take the power. We add. Now this term is we simplify in the form of this one, minus 10 into 3 power x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 3 multiplied by 3 we get 9, 3 power 2x minus 10, 3 power x plus 1 is equal to 0. We give the first equation. Now further simplification, we take supposition here. Let's suppose that y is equal to 3 power x. Now we give the equation number second. Reduce the above equation. Here is square is required. Now we take square, taking square of equation number 2 on both sides. So we can write 2, here is the quotient is 1, 2 multiplied by 1, 2x. Now these two results, put the values of y and y square in equation number first. 9 into y square minus 10 into y plus 1 is equal to 0. And 3 power 2x we put y square. Similarly, and 3 power x we put y values. So the equation is becomes here in quadratic form. We can use any method. There are 3 methods we are using: factorization method, completing square method, and quadratic formula. We can use here factorization methods, or we can use completing square method or quadratic formula, but I am using here factorization method. The first term multiply by last term we get 9. Here is middle term is required. So it means that we can write minus 1 is equal to minus 10. The same term, if we multiply minus 1, we will get 9. These two terms must be same, otherwise our factor is wrong. So here we can reduce this term 9y square minus 9y minus 1y plus 1 is equal to 0. We take pairs first, second, third, and fourth. 9y is common. We get minus 1. Minus 1 is common. Y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here, look here, these two pair are same, so we just only one pair, y minus y 1 and 9y minus 1 is equal to 0. It means that y minus 1 is equal to 0 or 9y minus 1 is equal to 0. We change here minus 1, so the result will becomes into positive y is equal to 1, or similarly here 9y, we change this result is equal to positive 1. Dividing both sides by 9, so we will get here 9 is cancel, y is equal to 1 over 9. Now these two results we put in equation number second, we will get the values of x. When y is equal to 1, the first result we put, then equation number second becomes, and y is equal to 3 power x, in replace of y we put 1, so 3 power x. Here we can write 3 power 0 is equal to 3 power x. Now the bases are same. So we take the power x is equal to 0. We are comparing here exponent or power. Similarly, if we take here y is equal to 1 over 2, so what is the result? So when y is equal to 1 over 9, then equation number second becomes y is equal to 3 power x. So in the place of y we put 1 over 9, 3 power x. We can write this one is 3 square 9 is equal to x 3 power x. So we change the reciprocal. So we can write 3 power minus 2, 3 power x. Now looks here, the bases are once again same. Bases are same. So we take the power. So x is equal to minus 2. These are the two solutions of minus 2 and 0. Thank you very much for watching. Once again, appreciate you in advance.